Hi guys, Captain Nick again with MarineMax over in St. Petersburg. Behind me today, something a little bit different than what you guys are used to seeing. This is the service bay, and this is a sneak preview. The boat before the boat, when they come in, they get rigged from the factory, then they get rigged here and we put them in the lot. So come join me for a backstage tour. I remember when we spec'd this boat out from Boston Whaler months ago, and this is exactly how I would want one if I brought it home myself. That classic Boston Whaler white hull sides, the black graphics, no teak, interesting, but it is less upkeep, and of course the white rub rail with the stainless steel insert. This is a sharp looking boat. Obviously a boat motor and trailer package. Swing tongue trailer, 17 Montauk, will fit in most 2-car garages. See what that is right there? That's a trolling motor panel. So if you were to buy this boat, installing a trolling motor is as simple as plug and play. Also equipped with a fishing package, which is the igloo cooler along with the rod holders up on the front of the center console. Obviously a large bimini top to keep the sun off you. Down here you look at the dash. Don't see this often. We did equip this boat with a Ray Marine unit already from the factory, so you know it's ready to go. Live well underneath the seat, which is a reversible seat. And back here, check this out. Got a couple of aft seats. It's a pretty nice option on a 17 Montauk. I think it's well worth it. You're gonna be riding around well equipped with a Mercury 90 command thrust engine. Perfect boat. Teach your kids how to drive. This is something that will be in the family for generations. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the backstage passage. For you to get a chance to see the boat behind the scenes, don't tell my general manager. I don't know if I'm even allowed to be back here showing you guys this. Anyways, kidding of course. Come see this boat down at MarineMax St. Petersburg. We're getting ready to roll it into the lot tomorrow, and I'd love for you to see it before anybody else. Bye guys. Interesting for a whaler, but it is less maintenance. And the white rub whale with the stainless steel insert. What whale?